This is going to be a hotel tour of Hyatt Place in Poughkeepsie, New York. Front desk right there. Breakfast room. Electric fireplace. And business center. Right there with a printer. Here are the bathrooms. Here's the fitness center. Have weights, treadmills, ellipticals, cycles. Balls right there. Here's the pool, which is busy right now, so I'll show it later. Here's the pool. Here's the pool. It's nice. There's no whirlpool here. And there are the rules. Now we're gonna go up to the second floor and show you the guest laundry. Here's the guest laundry. Got one washer, one dryer. This phone right there. Trash can. Dryer costs $1.50 and that washer costs $1.75. Over here's the ice machine. Let's tour room 426. Starting the safety features, have a default and a latch, fire evacuation map, and a peephole. Here's the bathroom. Sink, mirror, this is a toilet, shower, towels, it's the door conjoining room. Yeah. It says you need to keep a card there for electricity. Here's the view of the room. It's a thermostat. Here's the TV. The coffee machine. Phone, lamp right here. There's all your coffee stuff here. Here's a mini fridge. Here the drawers are. Actually, you have a Bible book. Here's the remote. And here's the closet with an ironing board and hangers. And there's a pillow up here. This is a king bed. Here's the lamp right here, if I can get it. Okay, just found the switch right here. It turns on. And the lamp right here. There's the alarm clock. Here's your view out the window. It's a pretty nice view. There's a Holiday Inn over there. Alright, that's all for this hotel tour. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.